Have you ever met or lived with a person having an overinflated opinion of themselves, but get exasperated from slight criticism? If yes, then the chances are that you may have dealt with a narcissist. This is a mental combination in which an individual has an overinflated sense of importance with a deep desire for admiration and attention. Most of them form extremely troubled relationships and usually don't have a good rapport with others. However, behind the fragile armor hides a different character, that of which is vulnerable, desperately needing intervention. People with narcissistic personality disorders are bothersome to society. They're common in churches, schools, work, and can be seen in many relationships. Their crooked belief that they are elite easily picks them out from the rest. They usually form meaningless connections and often manipulate relationships with others, with rifts running deep to the core. They appear as bullies in schools, show-offs, or as a know-it-all in the workplace. Signs of narcissistic personality disorder, NPD. The signs and symptoms of NPD vary from one individual to another in terms of severity. In addition to an extreme sense of self-importance, narcissistic people also display the following signs. 1. The belief that they are special and need grandiose treatment. If you meet a narcissist person in a restaurant or a bank, their crude character speaks loudly. Most are highly impatient and will be seen jumping lines or asking for favors, particularly in a rude way. It's because it's ingrained in their brain that their sense of importance supersedes everyone. 2. Taking advantage of others to get what they want. Narcissistic people jeopardize and exploit others to achieve what they want. Usually they do that without caring about how much harm or disadvantage they can cause. 3. The inability to recognize other people's feelings. Narcissistic people are highly insensitive. They do things that openly annoy others without caring how they will psychologically or emotionally harm them. 4. Arrogant and often conceited and boastful. They shun talks that put sense in their head. Their intuition deceives them into thinking that they are absolute and their decisions are the law. Any attempt to talk them down irritates them and provokes exasperation. 5. They have problems in handling their emotions. Most narcissistic people are unstable and make drastic decisions that cause severe harm and consequences when angry, a condition commonly referred to as narcissistic rage. Causes of narcissistic personality disorder, NPD. There is no known cause of narcissistic personality disorder. However, several studies establish that the condition results from psychological interventions from an individual's society and environment. The causes bearing scientific research include parenting. A study in 2015 done at The Ohio State University revealed that parents who gave their children special treatment or overvalued them scored higher on the tests of narcissistic personality disorder. Other parenting factors that might affect narcissism include abuse and neglect, overpampering, lack of praise and affection, also contributing to narcissistic personality disorder in children. Genetics. Genetics influence the inheritability of character. Although no specific gene is known to carry the trait into children. However, it is believed that the character is indeed inheritable. A generic behavioral study was done in Beijing, China, in 2014 that revealed that grandiose narcissism and entitlement were inheritable by 23% and 35% respectively. This study was conducted on a sample of 304 pairs of twins. This pioneering study clears the way for the possibility of further discoveries and future research. Environmental and cultural influences. Individual cultures affect the development of personality traits. Cultures that encourage a strong focus on self can cause narcissism in individuals. If a society has social values that tolerate narcissistic-like media content in contemporary music and advertisements, individuals in that society may grow up with a sense of entitlement. Likewise, young people are easily influenced by narcissistic cultures, where influential people are openly narcissistic. Neurobiological Determinants. A study done in the United States of America in 2018 revealed that abnormalities in some brain areas, such as the insular cortex, are allied with features such as a lack of good rapport. This might mean that there is indeed a connection between the brain and cognitive behavior of people, and this can cause narcissistic personality disorder. Methods of treatment. Psychotherapy is the only known treatment for narcissistic personality disorder. It uses talk therapy to diagnose the condition and systematically treat it. Psychotherapy helps treat narcissistic personality disorder by teaching individuals to relate better with others, cope with self-esteem, and understand and manage their feelings well. Narcissistic personality disorder can become malignant and impact an individual's personal and social life. Besides, it makes people living around them uncomfortable and can lead to harmful consequences if not treated in its early stages during a child's development. Have you ever encountered a narcissist in your life before? Share your story with us in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Spread the love and send this video to at least 2 friends or your favorite group chat. Sharing is caring after all. Be sure to hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. Remember to be polite to yourself first, so you can be polite to others. Take care of yourself. Until next time.